A fantastic approach to start your day off well is to stretch in the morning. You can enhance circulation, posture, and relieve stress by keeping a consistent morning stretching routine. You'll feel so relaxed after this quick and effective 10-minute stretching routine that you might not even need your morning cup of coffee. Child's pose is one of our most well-known yoga postures that gently opens the hips, pelvis, thighs, and spine, all of which frequently suffer tightness after a night in bed, while also calming the mind and reducing stress and exhaustion. To encourage digestion, do this stretch. In addition to massaging the internal organs and relieving low back discomfort, twists help stretch the hips and glutes. Together, these two forms massage abdominal organs, extend upper back and core muscles, and let spinal fluid to circulate. When we concentrate on the connection between our breath and movement in this sequence, we can also quiet our minds. In addition to opening the chest and shoulders and helping the body release tension and stress through breathing actively, this stretch lengthens the spine. It is a well-liked form for a good reason. It soothes the mind, energizes the body, and resets the nervous system. Both weariness and sciatica can be treated with it. The reclining butterfly position enables us to connect with our breath and start our days off well by allowing our lower bodies to open up. This position stimulates the kidneys, liver, and digestive system while calming the brain, reducing stress, weariness, and anxiety. Additionally, it resembles giving yourself a hug, which is always a good thing. Thank you for watching.